What if there is another planet in our solar system that we have never seen?
Strange movements in distant objects suggest something massive is pulling them. Even our most powerful telescopes detect only hints of something unseen. Far beyond Neptune lies a region of near total darkness. Something massive may be hiding in that darkness. And if it is real, we may already be under its influence. Beyond Neptune lies a vast region filled with icy remnants of the early solar system.
But scientists noticed something unusual. Many of these objects move in the same direction.
Even more strange, their orbits appear tilted in the same direction.
This pattern should not exist by chance alone.
Something unseen must be shaping these orbits from afar, and that invisible force may still be out there.
Far beyond the Kuiper Belt lies an even more mysterious region, the Oort cloud.
It is so far away that sunlight takes thousands of years to reach it. But its exact shape and structure remained theoretical. Many comets that visit the inner solar system are believed to come from here. It marks the true edge of what we can observe. And beyond this point, everything becomes uncertain. Gravity reveals something is there, even when nothing is visible.
Gravity reveals something is there, even when nothing is visible.
Even space itself bends when something massive is nearby.
The evidence keeps pointing to one conclusion. Something is out there.
Even scientists are divided between certainty and doubt.
But the source of that gravity is still unknown. What if our entire understanding of the universe is incomplete, or even simulated?
The universe follows patterns, precise, repeatable, and mathematical.
But sometimes, those patterns seem too perfect to be natural. Not all scientists agree, but the question continues to grow.
And if reality is structured, then who built it?
Neptune marks the last fully understood planet of our solar system. But beyond Neptune, something disturbs the motion of distant objects. The only explanation may be a hidden gravitational force. Even distant, icy objects respond to something unseen. Neptune's outer region shows signs of subtle instability.
Something far beyond Neptune
may be pulling everything inward. As more objects were discovered, the pattern became impossible to ignore.
These distant objects do not move randomly. They appear to cluster in a strange and precise alignment.
It takes years of observation just to confirm a single faint movement. And still, the search continues.
Scientists may never see it directly, but they can detect its presence through its effects.
Just like we detect black holes by their gravity, not by light. The same idea applies to Planet 9. We see its influence, not the object itself. Something massive must be shaping these patterns from the shadows.
But not all scientists agree. The mystery is still debated.
And still, the universe does not give us a clear answer.
But not everyone agrees with the Planet 9 theory.
Some scientists suggest the patterns might be caused by observational bias. Others believe it may not be a planet at all, but a group of smaller objects. Or perhaps, something else entirely is shaping these orbits.
The scientific community remains divided on the explanation.
But for now, there is still no final answer.
One possibility is that Planet 9 is not from our solar system at all.
It may have been captured by the sun's gravity billions of years ago. Or it could be a survivor from the chaotic early days of the solar system.
Another theory suggests it formed far beyond Neptune and was pushed outward.
Gravitational interactions may have pushed it far into the outer darkness.
But its true origin remains unknown.
And still, the truth remains hidden in the darkness.
The idea of a hidden planet did not begin recently. It has deep historical roots.
Early astronomers once suspected another planet beyond Neptune. The discovery of Pluto once seemed to complete the solar system.
But later, Pluto was reclassified, changing everything we thought we knew.
Today, the search for Planet 9 brings that ancient question back to life.
And perhaps this is not the first time we have searched for it.
Not all scientists agree on a single explanation for the orbital patterns.
Some suggest modified gravity could explain the same behavior.
Others propose that dark matter interactions may influence distant orbits.
At present, no single theory fully explains everything.
But the mystery itself continues to grow stronger.
A new era of sky surveys began, powered by advanced digital telescopes.
Artificial intelligence systems began detecting subtle irregularities in orbital data.
the search began narrowing down specific regions of deep space. Yet even in these refined searches, nothing definitive appeared. What we expect to find and what we actually see remain very different. And so the search continues into the future.
One possibility is that a rogue planet was captured by the sun's gravity long ago. Such an event would have dramatically reshaped the outer solar system. Its gravitational influence could subtly tilt the architecture of the solar system. Even without direct evidence, the probability remains open.
And yet, something may still be out there.
New ultra-deep surveys began scanning the farthest reaches of the solar system.
New instruments became sensitive enough to detect even faint reflected light.
Yet no direct light or reflection has ever been confirmed.
Infrared surveys also scanned for hidden heat signatures in the outer system.
But even in infrared, no signature has been found.
It is as if the universe refuses.
For the first time, data from multiple observatories was combined into a single global model. Artificial intelligence systems began cross-verifying all known orbital anomalies.
But even advanced systems produced conflicting interpretations. The predicted signal from a distant planet remains too weak to confirm.
The search was narrowed to the extreme outer edges of the solar system.
Yet even now, the data remains incomplete.
At this stage, scientists began to question not just the data, but their assumptions.
What if the patterns we see are not caused by a planet at all?
Another possibility is even more unsettling. There may be no hidden planet at all.
In the end, the universe does not answer easily.